Hello everyone and welcome to my first video on this channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up Windows 11 with a local account. A no Microsoft account is required to sign in, and using this method still works as of now. So in front of you on your screen is a new Windows 11 installation on the machine. So I'm going to click through this. Let's skip the keyboard layouts. Wait for it to check for updates. Device name, I'm going to skip for now. So you should see two options. You should go for the first option since I'm setting up for personal use and not for work or school. See the sign in.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Where Microsoft tells you to sign in using your email. So most, if not all, I'm not sure how many people know this, but there's a way you can bypass this. An old way you can bypass this by clicking on or pressing on the Shift and F10 key at the same time. That should open up the command prompt. The old way people used to bypass this sign-in page would be the OOBE /bypass NRO command. But Microsoft removed this command script into newer insider builds, saying it's for security and user experience. To see that it doesn't work anymore, I'm going to type in the old command, the bypass NRO command. Let's see what happens. And it should restart. And as you can see, it doesn't work even with the command. So that command doesn't work anymore. But there is a new command that works for now. And that command is going to be on your screen. And that command, I'm going to type in that command in the command prompt. I'm going to enter, and then a new display window should appear asking for your username and password. And yeah, it just straight goes into Windows, the welcome page. And we're done. And you logged into Windows without having to sign in using your email.